guys, it's me, Scratch Out 2, and today we will be making an online shooter game part 2. So if you haven't watched part 1, make sure to watch that as we'll need it to make part 2. So let's save our part 1 as a copy. I want to name it to online shooter game P2. So what we left off last time was that we were able to shoot, turn player, move our player around. So yeah. But whenever you spawn into the game and if someone else spawns in, then they'll just be in you and y'all will collide. So in the player sprite, so instead of resetting our X and Y position, they will actually set ourselves to a random position. So -240 to 240 and -180 to 180. There we go. So now we're in a random position every time we start the game. Okay, so now let's start with making some health. So, cross sprites. So we're going to set our health to 100 at the beginning of the game. So let's put our health over here. There we go. Okay. So now we already have the code for whenever our bullets touch the player. Oops, do not delete that. Anyways, so that here we want to and then we change our health by, let's do pick random -15 to -25. Okay. And that's if we're touching the player, because if we're touching the edge, then we just don't want to do that. So if touching player, change health by pick around -15 to -25. Okay, so we already have our health set, so let's test that now. I'm going to duplicate these two windows. As you see, this is the second version of me right here. So if I hit us, we're losing health gradually. So now if I do this, we can see our health got to -100. So let's just do that. If our health is less than 1, then we stop off. If our health is less than 1, stop off. Well, if we want to be able to, because we also want to be able to add the kills, so we're going to edit that part later. So now as you can see, we die every time our health gets reduced. So if I keep on shooting us, yeah, we die. But whenever I click once, it makes me click multiple times. Like I click once and it shows 2 bullets. See, I only clicked once and it showed 2 bullets. So we're gonna have to fix that problem. Okay, so now what we're going to do is they're going to add it so that we can get kills. So first, let's make new variable called kills cross sprites. Now if I click set kills to 0, and we're gonna show our kills variable, and I'm gonna put it over here. There we go. Move it up. Okay. So now we also want to make a new variable called died cross sprites, and we're going to set died to 0. Now what we're going to do is that whenever we die, we're going to send the message that we died. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So if health is less than 1, set died to 1, and then we repeat 3 cloud date, and then we stop. So now, because that will make us send the cloud that we died. So before the round timer, let's add died to encode. Okay, and you might as well just add our kills to encode, just so that we can also check like how many kills we have. So now that we have died here, so let's decode encoded, decode encoded. So we can make variables for ourselves. So let's make the variable called died for this sprite only, and kills for this sprite only. And now we set died to, now we set kills to, so we have to put in the same order. And here we see after shooting we do died and then kills. So this will go here, this will go here. And you set these two to value. Alright, let's make a new variable called user for this sprite only. I will set user to this value right here. And then here at the end we will say join our user and our kills. So we'll say join. Oh yeah, we also go put our player number. So player and then player number. Player 1 is, and then we're gonna put our username and has, oh wait, and then we're gonna put space and has kills. There we go. So that should be about right. Oh, so let me show the variables. I have to hid them. So after I load the other side, I do this. Okay, look, it says player 2's extrader encoder 125, it has 0 kills. And now if I shoot him, it takes a while. I already killed him, but he's still there for like 3 seconds or 4 seconds, I believe. So what we're going to do here is we're going to change offline by 25. That way, it'll only take us, it'll only take 1 second before he disappears. Well, basically, because in order for us to know who killed who, we have to put in like who last hit us. Okay. So in our shoot bullets, we're going to have to set, we're going to have to also add nothing to bullets at the end here. Add that to your shoot bullets. Next, in other players and our shoot to bullets, we're also going to add our username here. Because we made the user variable, so now we can add that here. Okay, and on bullets, let's make a new variable called last hit for this sprite only, and we'll set it to item 5 of bullets, and then we'll delete another one of bullets so that it resets. And just duplicate. There we go. So it touch a player. Then we change health by, and let's make a new variable called last hit for all sprites. Set last hit to blank at the beginning, and we'll set last hit to our user. Last hit to last hit. So that way, whenever the player gets hit by the person, okay, let me just show y'all an example. So now let me reload the other side. I'll show y'all what's going on. So as you can see, it's blank. And then whenever, 1 second. Okay. Now let me reload the page and show y'all what I meant by the last hit. Okay, so I see it's blank here. And now whenever I shoot him, look, it says extrader code 125. So now we know the person who last killed us. Okay, so if it was anybody else, it would also say that for them. It says extrader code 125. So now, how is that going to help us, you ask? Well, let's go back here to our cloud. We're going to add our last hit. So now they know who we last got. Okay. So now here, after we set died to 0, let's decode and code it again. So last hit, so that means if the value is equal to our username, which is that if the last hit tutorial is new, which is we last shot them and they're dead, then that means we should get the kill, right? Because I mean, they died and we're the last ones who hit them. So if they died and we were the last ones who hit them, then we should change our kills by 1. It's pretty simple when you think about it. Now let's see what happens. So now let me reload the other side and show y'all what happens whenever we kill this dude. So here, let's show y'all. So let me just share this screen. As you see, now our last hit is Extraordinary Coder 125. Now let me go back to our original tab right here. Now if I continue to shoot him, look, we get a kill. We just got 1 kill right here because we were the last ones who shot him and he died. So now if I shoot him again until he's dead, look, we got another kill. And that it wasn't even that hard. All we did was we saw who last hit us, and if we're dead, then we have to give that person a kill because they're the last ones who hit us, so we can assume that they are the ones who killed us. If I kill him again, we get another kill. It's very simple, very easy. Okay. Oh, whoops! I accidentally reset that. I was gonna show y'all what it should like if it showed our kills. So let me just kill him a few times again, so I can show y'all what it looks like. So actually, let me kill from this side, so that I'll be able to show you. See, look, it says 1 kills, and then since we just got killed, look, it says 2 kills. He has 2 kills. And then here it says 3 kills now because we killed him 3 times. So that was a very easy way of determining who gets kills or not. I did not expect that to work first try, but it did. I'm very grateful for that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do stuff like see the health bars, you know, HP. So yeah, I made a health bar tutorial, obviously, so y'all are going to have to follow that if you want to be able to do this. I'm just going to import my health bar if I can find it with all this. Here it is. So this is the health bar. So I'm just going to drag this here. So yeah, if you want to do this, you have to follow the tutorial. It's not even that long, probably less than 10 minutes. Yeah. So let's go to the player game loop. So at the end, we want to create health bar, our current health, and 100 because that's the max health. Offset Y maybe 60, size 100. And now if I do this, boom. Oh no, that's way too high. 30 to the offset. There we go. And we want it to be like 150, I guess. Nice. So the offset Y a little bit higher. 40. Yeah, that should be good. Now let me drag it and put it into the other player. So now we have another create health bar, and we just put that over here. Oh wait, no. We only want to do it so that if we are actually active. So let's put us that it's their health, but we don't have the health. We didn't send the health yet, so let's do that. So here we're going to add another thing to our encode. Well, what does our encode actually do? Well, it sends all these to our other player, so other people can see our actual variables and stuff. So now if we decode and code it here, so it says, so right before the timer, let's make a new variable called health for this part only. We'll set our health to, and we'll set it to value. So now we got our health, so we could put in our health here out of 100, and pretty much the same thing as with the player. So let's go here, let's click. If we reload the page, we should be able to, so now we can see our health. And look, we have this one here. So look, it shows our health, and now if I shoot him, look, it shows their health. Look, their health is progressively going down, and boom, they're dead, 1 HP. Like I said, guys, very simple. We can add regeneration, and that's obviously pretty simple. I mean, there's obviously a delay because, I mean, Scratch's cloud variables update every 3 seconds. It updates 10 times, which means every second, the Scratch runs at 30 frames a second, you know, so every third of a second it updates. So yeah, that's not very ideal. So we're going to try and fix the health bars glitching. I think we could do this. I think. Let's see if that will work. Yeah, that did not fix anything. We have to do is that we're constantly adding our health bars. So in order to do that, we will do that whenever we receive begin create health bar help. If our health is greater than 0. which means that we are active, you know. So when we see, we can set health to 0, which we'll see, and then whenever we're offline, we're going to set our health to 0 here. Okay, so that way, let's try that. So now our online players shouldn't be bugging out their health bar. Yep, their health bar is perfectly normal now. And I can see how much you killed and then you get the kill. So what if you get them low and then someone else finishes them off? I think that answer is kind of obvious. They get the kill because they were the last ones who hit them. It's not about who does the most damage. I mean, that's not how it is in shooter games, right? In regular shooter games, the last person who hits them gets the kills. So I'm pretty much that's safe to say. Now, if I share this tab, you can see it says player what is triggered, what's fast, 2 kills. So yeah, I guess we finished our shooter game now at this point. I mean, the only thing we could do is like add a leaderboard or something like that. But I'm not gonna get into that. This is the last part of our tutorial, so thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share, as helps the channel. Our goal is to get 250 subscribers by the end of July. So we've got 2 months until we're able to do this. And we're just missing, I'm pretty sure we're missing like 30 subscribers. So please subscribe as you can. Like this video to help more people find it. Let's get more subscribers. Have a wonderful day.